Itong lahat ng counts na ito ay life imprisonment. Life imprisonment. Henry Alcantara, Bryce Erickson Hernandez, JP Mendoza, John Michael Camos, Ernesto Galang, Lorenzo Pagtalunan, Norberto Santos, Jaime Hernandez, Flora Lynn Simbulan, Juanito Mendoza, Roberto Roque, Benedict Matawaran, Cristina May Pineda, Paul Jason Duya, Merge Haron Laus, Lemuel Efraim Roque, RJ Domasic, Giancarlo Rivera, John Benex Francisco, Jojo Marie Tayaw. St. Timothy Construction Corporation, Miss Maria Roma Angeline Rimando, at ang admitted by herself mismo as beneficial owner, si Zara Rowena Discaya. Wawaw Builders, Mark Alan Arevalo, Sims Construction Trading, Sally Santos, IM Construction Corporation, Robert Imperio. Ito ang mga kaso, final natin. Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, malversation through falsification of public documents, and the violation of the Government Procurement Act. Ang malversation po through falsification at ang Anti-Graft Corrupt Practices Act because they have breached the non-bailable po ito. Non-bailable. At ang parusa po nitong lahat ng counts na ito ay life imprisonment. Non-bailable po ito. Non-bailable.